Hi there, I'm Andrew, and welcome back to Golden Age Financial, a YouTube channel helping older adults build confidence with money, investments, and everyday financial decisions. Today we're diving into how pensions and 401ks can work together for your retirement income. If you've ever wondered how those two puzzle pieces fit on the retirement board, stick with me. It's simpler than you think. A pension is a retirement plan where your employer promises to pay you money every month for life after you retire. Think of it like a paycheck that keeps coming even after you stop working, but only if you stayed with the company long enough. Most pensions follow a formula, usually based on your salary history, years of service, and sometimes your age at retirement. As of 2025, fewer private companies offer pensions. Most are now found in government or unionized jobs. The nice thing? It's dependable. The tricky part, you don't control how it's invested or how much you get month to month. Bottom line? A pension gives you guaranteed income, but you usually don't manage the money yourself. A 401k is a retirement savings account you can contribute to during your working years, often with some help from your employer. You decide how much to save, up to a limit. In 2025, that's $23,000 if you're over 50. Many employers offer a match. For example, 50 cents for every dollar you contribute, up to a certain percent of your pay. In this plan, you're the captain of the ship. You pick the investments and decide how it's all allocated. Of course, with all that freedom comes some confusion. Don't worry, mutual funds and target date options were made for the rest of us. In summary, a 401k puts you in control, but also in charge of growing and managing your retirement nest egg. Pensions shine when you want predictability. They give you consistent, steady income no matter how long you live. 401k shine when you want flexibility. The money is yours to control, adjust, or even pass on to heirs. Social Security is often the third leg of this retirement stool. Add a pension and a 401k, and you've got a seat worth sitting in. A pension handles stability, while a 401k handles growth potential. Kind of like peanut butter and jelly, if jelly had a stock ticker. If your pension covers your bills, your savings can be more discretionary or even help the grandkids. In summary, pensions bring stability, 401ks bring options, and the combo creates both peace and possibility. Start by estimating your pension income. Your HR department can provide a benefit statement every year. Next, figure how much extra you'll need per month. Your 401k can help close that gap. You can also move your 401k into an IRA after retirement to access better investment choices or lower fees. Some choose to buy an annuity using part of their 401k, basically creating your own private pension stream. Just remember, required minimum distributions start at age 73 as of 2025. Plan accordingly. In summary, combining both lets your stable pension cover needs, while your 401k adds cushion and control. Pensions and 401ks weren't built to compete. They're built to complement each other, like puzzle pieces in your retirement plan. Your next moves? 1. Check your pension estimate. 2. Review your 401k balance. And 3. Run a total monthly income snapshot. Stick around for future episodes, hit that subscribe button if you're learning something new, and remember, this is for education only, not personal financial advice.